Today we will going to see the topic cost auditing. In cost accounting, we will going to see the what are the conditions of the cost and what are the materials used in the cost. First one is what is meant by cost accounting. Now we will going to see cost accounting as an managerial accounting process that involves a recording, analysis, and reporting a company's cost. Cost auditing is an international process used only by a company to identify any reducing spending. Cost accounting is helps to becomes because it is an identifying where a company is spending in a money, how much it is earned, and where money is being on a waste or a loss. Cost audit accounting is the reporting and analysis of a company's cost structures. Cost accounting involves the assuming of a cost to be a cost objectives that can indicate a company products, service, and any business activities. It is helps to it is help because it can be identified where a company is spending its money, how much it earns, and where the money is being lost. Having a clear idea of the cost ascertains with running a business make it easier for a management to boost a profitability. Cost accounting is differentiate and separating the separate from general financial accounting, which is be designed for the out at automatic and heavy regulations. Even through cost accounting is a commonly called as a cost method, the scope of cost auditing is an affair broadening than mere cost. Costing method determines the cost while cost auditing is an analyzing for the cost company's issues. Next, it has elements of traditional bookkeeping, system development, creation measurable information and input analysis for many firms. Cost accounting helps creation and mention a business statistic more organic ways. Now we are going to see types of cost accounting. The first type is direct cost. Second one is indirect cost. Third one is variable cost. Now we are going to see first cost that it mean by direct cost. It is a cost directly tied to a product productions and it typical indicates the direct material, labors and distributing cost. Innovative raw materials and employees wages for a factory workers or only example of direct cost. Now we will going to see indirect cost. Indirect cost is direct opposite for the opposite cost for the direct cost. We will going to see indirect cost. It cannot be directly tied to the product of a producer and might including the electricity for the factory. Now we will going to see variable cost. Cost that increase or decrease with the product volumes tends to be classified as a variable cost. In that variable cost, it not be a measurable, it will be a unmeasurable like an increase or decrease. The cost value may be a increase or decrease. A company that produce cars, mines, wagon, steel involved in. For example, the variable cost give one example. It's in a car manufacturing. In that car manufacturing, we will be purchasing a fair parts and we will have to assemble in one place. We have to take that cost process for a separate purpose and we will be maintaining as an increase or decrease purpose. Next we will going to see fixed cost. In that all are the cost that keeps in a company running and does not sales and production volumes. A factory building or an equipment loves whole a classification of fixed cost. Next, operating cost. It is all in a cost the run of the day to day operations of the company. However, operating costs or operating expenses are the not usually tracking back the measured for the production and can be fixed or variables. Now, this is the case. What are the types of cost and where the various forms of cost there are indicates. Now, we will going to see what is the case for these conditions. There are four types of cost auditing. For this four type, this is the main uses for the identification and rectifying the problems occurring in the financial purpose. There are four types of costs. One is standard cost, second one is active basis cost, third one is merging cost, and fourth one is lean cost. These are the four types of cost we are using for the foremost main purpose of cost accounting. Thank you.